it's your girl Nisi here I finally got my YouTube channel. I know I've been saying it for almost since last year, but I finally got it. I'm still in practice with my nails, but it's my hobby and I just want to let you all share in on that. And I do tutorials, hauls, reviews. I work with acrylic, I work with press-on nails, and I work with gel nails. So give me a holler, just press the subscribe button and it would be, and I'm telling you, it'd be worth your while. I mean, I do so much, I have learned so much, and I'm loving the way it is. So hit that subscribe button and I will give you updates every time I do it. I'm gonna try to do them at least twice a week if I can.